Complex numbers are two-dimensional, which means that I can represent them in a graph. And because I'm able to represent in the graph, the plane is sometimes called as an Argand diagram. So, for example, if I drew a graph for the same one which is on the top, so on my horizontal axis, I will have the real numbers, right? And on the y-axis, I would have the imaginary numbers. So here I would have numbers. Remember, I have not drawn to scale. Here I have got numbers 4, and I'll add a 5 as well. And here I would have, let's say, the I. So I have got the I here, and I've got negative 1i, and then negative 2i, and negative 4i, 3i, and 4i, and 5i. These are all negative numbers here. So if I really have to represent this, that was negative 5i. So if I have to represent this on a diagram, I would say that it falls somewhere here. Yeah, on a graph, on an Argand plane, it is falling somewhere here. That's our 4 takeaway, negative 5i. So to recap so far, what I've actually told you is that it has got complex numbers can be written as real numbers and imaginary numbers. It stands for the letter I, which is actually I is root of negative 1, and they can be represented as a real number and an imaginary number, and they can be represented in a they are two-dimensional. They can be represented in an Argand diagram in an axis where in the horizontal axis I've got the real numbers, and in the vertical axis I've got the imaginary numbers.